Kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make an easy spring shrimp salad. I have this beautiful asparagus, fresh dill, and we're gonna use half of this edamame and our snow peas. And this is how to make it really easy. Get one of these cocktail shrimp, frozen, ready to go shrimp, and this will make it super easy. So let me get everything mise en place and I will show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
First, we're going to cook our asparagus, and depending on the thickness of the asparagus, I sometimes want to peel it. Now, these are kind of thick, so I am going to peel about the bottom third to make it easier to cook. So like so, just the bottom. I have a large skillet with about an inch of water with a rapid boil, and as soon as it comes to the rapid boil, we're going to put our asparagus in and boil it for about 3 minutes. We want it to be tender, but we also want it to be bright green. That was 3 minutes, and we want it to be fork tender. So see how easily this goes in? And it's done. And we're gonna take it out. We're gonna run it under cold water to stop the cooking. I'm preparing my dressing now, and we want the zest of the lemon. So we're gonna use a microplane zester, and I'm just gonna zest it. We have a half a cup of mayonnaise in here. I'm just gonna zest the lemon right into the bowl. Now when you're zesting, you just want to get the bright yellow. You don't want to go too far below because you'll get the white pith, and that's bitter. So just the outer layer of yellow, you want to zest it. And to this, we're going to add in our 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice from that 1 lemon we zested. 2 teaspoons of freshly snipped dill. I usually use a scissor to snip my dill. A 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. And now I'm just going to whisk that all together. That is our dressing, and we're going to toss our shrimp into this first before we add in the rest of the other ingredients, because I want to make sure the shrimp is fully coated with our flavorful dressing. It looks so good. It smells beautiful. That dill is wonderful. And here are our shrimp. This is 12 ounces of shrimp. Make sure you remove the tails. If you're going to do this for sandwiches, you can cut the shrimp up into smaller pieces, but this is a salad, so I'm going to keep them nice and big, and this is going to look beautiful. And this dressing is so good, you could just use it as a salad dressing anytime, but this is going to be so fantastic. Get that all in there and coat it up. Next, I'm going to add our half of the, and I used a Vidalia onion in this recipe. If you don't have a Vidalia onion, that's fine. And just half of it chopped up really nice and small. And this is our 2 stalks of celery, small dice. We're going to add that. Our half a bag of edamame. I love edamame. Anytime I want to add it to something, I'm always happy. Our snow peas, and I slice them on the bias. There we go. And now I'm going to get it into this bowl so we can display it for a buffet lunch. And our asparagus, I sliced that on the bias too. And that's about 3/4 of that bunch. I didn't want to overpower it with too many veggies. We still want to see all of that beautiful shrimp. Now, since I'm putting this out on a lunch buffet table, I'm going to jazz up the garnish and make it look a little more festive. So I'm going to put some more lemon zest on the top. I kept some of the asparagus out so I could put it on top without its dressing so people can see easily that there's asparagus in it. And for a real pop of color, I'm going to use the peeler and finally peel some radish, and that'll give a nice pop of pink on top. There we go, absolutely beautiful and so delicious. A quick spring shrimp salad. I hope this inspires you to make it at home, and we have tons of recipes on the YouTube channel. Please check it out. The recipe will be in the description below, and make a comment. Let me know how it turns out. I hope you love it. Take care, everybody. Bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.